let's start our class. This is your 9-week assignment for physics. Okay. At first, see what is your assignment topic. Your assignment topic is write a report on how physics has evolved. My dear students, I am repeating. Your assignment topic is write a report on how physics has evolved, and this is from chapter 1, physical quantities and their measurement. Enter given instruction, collect information from textbooks, science journals, internet and other sources. Okay, my dear students, now we will discuss about this assignment, how physics has evolved. Okay, my dear students, first you can write the introduction of physics. You can give the introduction of physics, then what is physics, the definition of physics. Then you can start like this: development of physics. Modern civilization is the contribution of science. This advancement of science has not been achieved in a day. The modern science reached its present state gradually following tireless labor of innumerable scientists and researchers. We can describe the history of physics by dividing it into different stages. Then you can give this initial stage, then you can write then rising stage of science, then introduction of modern physics and contemporary physics. Okay, my dear students, let's start initial stage. What we understand by physics at present was introduced in the ancient times by the combination of astronomy, optics, dynamics, geometry and an important branch of mathematics. The name of Greek scientist Thales can be mentioned especially because he was the first to give an explanation which were only based on religion, myth and extrasensory perception but without logic. Thales predicted about the solar eclipse and knew about the magnetic property of lodestone. Now Pythagoras was remarkable among the mathematicians and the scientists of that time. Then Greek philosopher Democritus presented the idea first that matter has indivisible units and this is called atom. Then Aristotle gave first idea of the sun-centered solar system. Greek science and mathematics reached its peak at the time of Archimedes. Okay, the greatest scientist of all times. The upward thrust of liquids is still included in the content of science. There was another scientist of Greek era named Eratosthenes and determined the radius of the earth accurately of that time. My dear students, then you can give the scientist name of Indian subcontinent and their invention, about Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta and Bhaskar. Then you can write about the scientist Albert Jimmy Al-Masudi, then the Chinese scientist Shen Kuo and about his invention. Okay, my dear students, now we will discuss about the rising stage of science. You can write like this: the 16th and 17th century, a wonderful revolution started in the realm of physics. Galileo introduced the mathematical formulation. Then scientist Newton, in 1687, scientist Newton published the 3 laws of mechanics and the laws of gravitational force. In 1778, scientist Coulomb invented the law of force between the charges, and scientist Young proved the wave nature of light experimentally. Then scientist, you can give the invention, you can write the invention about the scientist Lord Kelvin. Then you can write about the invention of scientist Count Rumford and Maxwell. Okay, my dear students, then come to the next stage, introduction to modern physics. From the very beginning of 19th century, scientists felt that many things could not be explained with the help of existing physics. Dalton introduced atomic theory in 1803. Thomson invented an electron within the atom, and Max Planck invented the quantum theory. Einstein invented the theory of relativity, which is E equals to mc squared. This is the famous equation of physics. And Pierre Curie and Marie Curie invented radium. My dear students, I think Ranjan invented the X-ray. Then you can write about Wendell and you can write about Professor Satyendra Basu. Okay, my dear students. Then come to contemporary physics. You can start like this. Due to the invention of electronics and modern technology, it is possible to make powerful particle accelerators. In 1924, Hubble showed that the all galaxies of the universe are moving away from one another. My dear students, and in this part, contemporary physics, you can give more explanation in this part. My dear students, now your assignment submission date is on Sunday. Okay, next Sunday. That means 11 7/21. Okay, my dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic, Assignment-2, that how physics write a report on how physics has revolved. My dear students, don't copy this is the demo class for you about this assignment, and don't copy it. Okay, write yourself and write properly about this assignment topic. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.